Now the next problem is prove that 6 plus root 3 is an irrational. Here we are taking sum of a rational number and an irrational number. Now proof. Contrary to the given statement, that is 6 plus root 3 is a rational number. So let us assume that 6 plus root 3 is a rational number. When it is a rational number, we can express that number in the form of p by q. That's why you can write that 6 plus root 3 equal to a by b. So then there exists two positive integers a and b such that 6 plus root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes, where a and b are co-primes. So here keep root 3 in the LHS part and the remaining part transpose to right hand side. So root 3 equal to a by b minus 6. You can write a by b minus 6 as root 3 equal to a minus b into 6. b6 means 6b. By means b into 6 is 6b. a minus 6b by b. Now root 3 equal to a minus 6b by b. Since 6, a and b are integers, so a minus 6b by b is a rational number. When RHS part is rational number, obviously LHS is also rational number. So root 3 is rational. But this contradicts the fact. What is that fact? Root 3 is an irrational number. So this contradicts the fact that root 3 is an irrational number. So our assumption is incorrect or wrong. That's why what we can conclude, 6 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So here this contradicts the fact that root 3 is an irrational number. So our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Hence we conclude that 6 plus root 3 is a rational number. Sorry, 6 plus root 3 is an irrational number. 6 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Like this. So sum of a rational number and an irrational number is always irrational number only. Now one more problem we will do. Prove that number. Here sum of two irrationals gives you irrational number only. Here what irrationals we are taking? Root 3 and root 5. Proof. Let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. When it is a rational number, we can write root 3 plus root 5 equal to a by b. So then there exists two positive integers a and b such that root 3 plus root 5 equal to a by b. Here a and b are co-primes, where a comma b are co-primes. Now we will transpose any one of the irrational number to RHS side. So we will take root 3 equal to, I am transposing root 5 into right hand side. So a by b minus root 5. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What we will get? Let us see. So here we will get 3 equal to, here a by b minus root 5 whole square. That value, that equal to 3 equal to, here a minus b whole square. What we will get? A square by b square plus 5 minus 2ab. 2 into a means a by b into b means root 5. Now here the irrational part, this term has irrational part. So bring this term into left hand side and take 3 into right hand side. So we will get 2 into a by b into root 5 equal to, what we will get? A square by b square plus 5, here minus 3. Now we will get 2a by b into root 5 equal to a square by b square plus 2. Now we will get 2a by b into root 5 equal to a square plus 2b square by b square. Now bring this 2a by b, coefficient of root 5, this 2a by b into right hand side. Means keep only root 5 in the left side. So root 5 equal to, what will be, we will get b by 2a into a square plus 2b square by b square. So we will get, here b and b gets cancelled. We will get a square plus 2b square by 2 into a into b, 2ab. Here root 5 equal to, root 5 equal to a square plus 2b square by 2ab. Since 2a and b are integers, when these are integers, a square plus 2b square by 2ab is a rational. When that is a rational number, right hand side part, automatically left hand side part also rational. And so root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational. But this contradicts the fact. What what is the fact? Root 5 is an irrational number. So, but this contradicts the fact. This contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. So, our assumption is wrong. Hence, we conclude that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So, what can we write? Our assumption is wrong. So, our assumption is wrong. Hence, we conclude that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. This is the proof for the sum of root 3 and root 5 is an irrational number.